Okay, fabulous fourth graders, math masters, I hope you enjoyed that little break. Let's get right down to our application problem. It's a 5-minute long application problem. Let's see if we can do it in 5 minutes. Looks like a pretty big problem to me. So we'll take a look-see. Partner. Alright, so what we have going on is what we know is the basketball team raised a total of $153,694 in September. I'm going to circle that number. And $29,987 more in October. So I'm going to circle more too, and $29,987 than in September. What we need to find out is how much money did they raise in October. Not that we know how much they raised in September, but they raised this much more in October. We need to draw a tape diagram and write your answer in a complete sentence. Okay, let's get started on that. Well, let's start with what we know. What we know is September. Try to remember the days of September. Okay, so how much did they raise in September? $153,694. So I'm going to make a tape diagram. Like that. And I'm going to have the amount. $153,694. That's what that means. That's a dollar sign. You just put an S in 2 lines through it. All right, so let's take a look at October. We don't know how much they raised in October, except we do know they raised more than in September, $29,987 more. So the way we show this on a tape diagram, and I'm going to give a little space, is here's October, and I'm going to make a tape diagram that's a little bit longer than the September. Why are you doing that, Mr. Leggett? You're going to find out. So what we don't know is the total amount. And I'm going to put an M there for the amount of money. But we do know they raised $29,987 more. So right here, I'm going to stop there and make a bracket. And I'm going to put the amount more that they made. $29,987. Now what do you think we need to do to figure out October? Because that's what we're trying to do, is how much money did they raise in October? Just got to add this, right, with this. And that'll give us an answer. So let's get right to it. 153,694 plus, this is where we got to put the place values in the right place or we'll be in big trouble. Well, we won't get the right answer. We won't be in big trouble. So you see that this represents the 153,694, and then this extra part represents the 29,987 more that they raised. So let's start with our math. You could start, go right ahead and pause if you like if I'm going too fast. So I know 4 ones plus 7 ones. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 ones. There's my 1, there's my 10. 9 tens plus 1 10 is 10 tens. And add on another 8 is 18 tens. So there's my 8, and there's my 1. 9 hundredths plus 1 hundredths is 1,000, plus the 6 would be 1,600 or 16 hundredths. There's my 6, there's my 1. 9 thousandths plus 1 thousandths is 10,000, and plus another 3 is 13,000. So I'll put my 3 here, and a 1 there. 5 10,000ths plus 2 10,000ths plus 1 10,000 is 8 10,000ths. And then we put a 1 right there, and we're all set. Don't forget the dollar sign. So it also says to write your answer in a complete sentence, so let's go ahead and do that. The team raised $183,681 in October. And you can write this on a piece of scratch paper or on your whiteboard, whatever you prefer. After that big old long basketball problem, I think it's time to take a little break. Go get yourself a drink of water, go to the restroom, tell mom and dad you love them, hug baby brother or baby sister, pet the dog, run around the house, all those good things.